Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic about love psychology quotes. 1. The opposite of love is not hate, it's indifference. Elie Wiesel. 2. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. Loretta Young. 3. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Nat King Cole. 4. We are most alive when we are in love. John Updike. 5. The art of love is largely the art of persistence. Albert Ellis. 6. A true love story never ends. Anonymous. 7. Love is the ultimate outlaw. It just won't adhere to any rules. Tom Robbins. 8. Love is a choice you make every day. Gary Chapman. 9. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. Paulo Coelho. 10. To be fully seen by somebody, then, and be loved anyhow. This is a human offering that can border on miraculous. Elizabeth Gilbert. 11. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Osho. 12. The real lover is the man who can thrill you by kissing your forehead, or smiling into your eyes, or just staring into space. Marilyn Monroe. 13. You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep, because reality is finally better than your dreams. Dr. Seuss. 14. The best proof of love is trust. Joyce Brothers. 15. Immature love says, I love you because I need you. Mature love says, I need you because I love you. Erich Fromm. 16. Love doesn't just sit there, like a stone. It has to be made, like bread, remade all the time, made new. Ursula K. Le Guin. 17. The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love, and to let it come in. Maury Schwartz. 18. Love is a friendship set to music. Joseph Campbell. 19. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope. Maya Angelou. 20. You don't love someone for their looks, or their clothes, or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. Oscar Wilde. 21. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Mignon McLaughlin. 22. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Lao Tzu. 23. We are shaped and fashioned by those we love. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. 24. The giving of love is an education in itself. Eleanor Roosevelt. 25. The love we give away is the only love we keep. Elbert Hubbard. 26. There is only one happiness in this life, to love and be loved. George Sand. 27. Love is a game that two can play and both can win. Eva Gabor. 28. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. When Harry Met Sally. 29. Love does not dominate, it cultivates. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. 30. The greatest act of courage is to be and to own yourself. And the greatest love is to find a person who loves and honors that person. Don Miguel Ruiz. 31. Love is not about how many days, weeks or months you've been together. It's all about how much you love each other every day. Unknown. 32. Love is of all passions the strongest, for it attacks simultaneously the head, the heart, and the senses. Lao Tzu. 33. A flower cannot blossom without sunshine, and man cannot live without love. Max Muller. 34. The only thing better than a good relationship is a good relationship that lasts forever. Unknown. 35. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved, loved for ourselves, or rather, loved in spite of ourselves. Victor Hugo. 36. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. Elbert Hubbard. 37. To love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to love and be loved, that's everything. T. Tolles. 38. We come to love not by finding a perfect person, but by learning to see an imperfect person perfectly. Sam Keen. 39. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. H. Jackson Brown Jr. 40. I love you without knowing how, or when, or from where. I love you straightforwardly, without complexities or pride. So I love you because I know no other way. Pablo Neruda. 41. The deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. Marianne Williamson. 42. The highest form of love is to be able to say, I love you as you are and not as I would have you be. Unknown. 43. Love is a choice you make every day, when you decide to invest in another person's well-being and growth. Unknown. 44. True love is not about romance. It's about a deep, abiding connection, a partnership, and a shared commitment to a future together. Unknown. 45. The best love is one that makes you a better person, without changing you into someone else. Unknown. 46. Psychologically, love is an act of creation, not reception. Unknown. 47. The most powerful emotion is love. It's the only thing that can both destroy and heal the heart. Unknown. 48. Love is not just a feeling, it's a state of being, a way of life. Unknown. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.